heard about the Koforidua Startup Bootcamp program and I enrolled. First day we had a speaker, one of our speakers from the United States, in the person of Nick, who took us through how to start up. It's been very educative. I've learned a lot for myself and for my business. Yesterday, we happened to receive, or let me say, entrepreneurs who are already doing well in the industry. They came to coach us, guide us to how to start up our own business and also how to scale up.
When I saw the ad online, I was like, okay, maybe this is one of the how should I call it? One of those trainings that you just have to attend. But when I was picked, fortunately for me, when I was picked and I came for this training, I realized it is 1 in a million. What I was expecting was even more than what I've come to meet over here. I've learned a lot that I'm going to use in my business. And I'm sure that whatever I've also learned, once I try it, once I put it into my business, definitely it is going to grow, and then it's going to help me to be able to expand my business.
And so far, I could say this bootcamp has exceeded my expectations. Not only did I expand my knowledge in product development, but also I've gained valuable mentorships and feedback that will help me develop and shape my business ideas. So I would like to recommend this bootcamp to anybody out there. Whenever the time comes to apply, make sure you apply and make a good use of it.
And one thing that's so amazing about this bootcamp is that they've taken our previous knowledge on entrepreneurship, they've built on it so much. Gradually, we are becoming experts.
Expectations so far, when I came here, especially with the team formation, I've learned much into entrepreneurship and I've gained much ideas, much experience in this program.
My expectation coming for Koforidua Bootcamp was that I'll come and gain some knowledge to be able to scale up my business and also network, to get networking opportunities. And so far, today is day 3, and I can really say that my expectations have even been exceeded. And I'm grateful for all the mentors that have come around, the facilitators, the organizers. It's been an awesome experience, learning so much about entrepreneurship and how to start a business and, the roadmap for, businesses and all that. So it's been really eye-opening and it's been really engaging.
In fact, learning about the link canvas from the first day, then creating the link canvas for the second day, and the third day learning about brand is exceptional. I recommend Koforidua Startup Bootcamp to everybody. And come learn something as an entrepreneur to ignite your entrepreneur journey.
The pitching aspect has also, here is where I learned about how to pitch to investors, to acquire support, to seek investor support. You need to pitch to them. And this program has really helped me to understand and also learn how to pitch and also create my slides using the PowerPoint and the other apps.
This program has been impactful, educative, and then also I've been able to develop a lot of skills. And yes, I would recommend this program to any other person because it's very educative, and then by the end of the program, I believe it will help other people to have a lot of business ideas. Yeah.
I signed up for the Koforidua Bootcamp startup because I wanted to know more about agribusiness, how to be able to bring my idea into life, and how also to solicit for funds to help in my business. It's been an overwhelming experience. I've had great teamwork. It's been fun, it's been exciting, it's been educative. I've had a lot of ideas that I've had great minds to work with, amazing tutors and facilitators, friends that will go a long way to help. I've built connections. I've had great encounters with a lot of people.
Thank you. So I'll add up to any pivotal insight. So one of the things we also noticed was that we had kind of about 100 people we reached out to hear from them.
A novel insight, pivotal insight. We realized that our initiative is actually also going to give farmers the value for what they put in, especially when tomatoes is in abundance and still out of season.
So then it takes you to the sign up page where you have the home. We have you can also log in through social media platforms, LinkedIn, maybe Twitter or Google. Then our homepage, Welcome Mary, we have.
So our experience was quite interesting because aside going to question the farmers, we also had a chance to learn certain things about farming that we had no idea about. So it was quite engaging.
And also, I would encourage all other, especially women, to enroll anytime they get an opportunity, because this is also to help us digitally bridge whatever problems we have with regards to entrepreneurship.
Coming together, I learned how to work with other people through the brainstorming class and whatever we have learned. I realized you don't work alone, you don't do anything alone. And then once you're in a team, once you have people around you, that you put things together, whatever you're expecting will come in place. And then I also want to use this opportunity to thank our sponsors for this great opportunity, because as we came here, we are not leaving the same. We have definitely learned something that we are going to use in the near future. So I recommend anyone who is watching this video to come, and then anytime you see any ad like this or something, apply. When you are picked, go, and then you realize that it is not just for fun, but you are really going to learn something. Thank you.
I was invited to Koforidua Startup Bootcamp by Chris, and it's been a great experience from day one and to day 3, and I've learned so much by engaging with these startup programs, and I believe that this program is going to help them grow their businesses. They've added up more skills to what they're doing. They've learned different aspects of the business, how it needs to grow, and the needed information that they need to be able to scale up their projects and their businesses, which is very important. So the essence of the Koforidua Startup Bootcamp has been essentially important and has been very great and impactful. And I hope this continues and it's not just one day show.
And I would also want to thank the sponsors for holding this bootcamp for us. We want to ask for more support for we the young ones, so that the problem of unemployment in Ghana will be reduced or solved drastically.
We hope that the sponsors who are on board to make this thing happen, the development partners, continue to support this project so that more youth can come up with great ideas that can then lead to great businesses, because when the businesses are empowered, the economy is empowered, the youth are empowered.